Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make a simple and delicious ghee rice recipe. First step: cashew, almond and dried grapes, half cup of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 chopped onion, 3 green chilies, 1 cup of mint, 1 glass of water, wash and soaked for 10 minutes, 1 cup of curd, 1 cup of milk, 1 cooker, spices, bay leaves 3, cloves 4, cinnamon 3 pieces, star anise 2, cardamom 2, all soaked for 10 minutes in a water. Let's start. 1 cooker, put it in the stove. 2 tablespoon ghee, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You use to any other cooking oil, add. Spices will be add. You add almond, grapes, cashew nut, add 1 chopped onion, add chilies, mix it well. Onion will be fried in a golden brown color. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon will be add. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 1 cup of curd. You will be boiled in 1 minute in a medium flame and mix it well again and again. Add mint leaves 1 cup. Add coriander leaves half cup. Mix it well and boil to the 2 minutes. Add to the soaked rice. You use any other rice. Mix it well. Boil to the rice in a 5 minutes medium flame. One glass rice, 2 glass water add. Add to the salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Boil to the 5 minutes in a medium flame. close the lid. We will take the 3 whistle of cooker. Ready to your delicious ghee rice recipe. Ready to serve your ghee rice. Please subscribe my channel to everyone.